Good morning, all. Today we are going to study the poem Wind from class 9 Beehive textbook. This is the second poem, Wind, by Subramaniam Bharati, and this is a translation from the work of A.K. Ramanujan that was written in Tamil. So, Subramaniam Bharati is translated into English. This is the poem Wind that we are going to read today. So, the poem. The wind blows strongly, causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friend with us? जब विंड जब हवा चलती है ना तो कॉजेज अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन, मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ें बर्बाद कर देती है. तो हम कुछ ऐसा कैसे करें कि वी कैन मेक अ फ्रेंड विद इट, कि हम इसके फ्रेंड बन जाए. सो हेयर इन द पोएम the poet wants to say that here is a talking of a poet to the wind, and the power of wind has been described. The poet says that the wind is destructive, and he has linked the destruction, the power of wind, and adversities of life, and says that the weak people break down, but the strong people emerge out of the adversities stronger. Poem gives an important message that we should be mentally strong and tough in order to survive the hardship of life. The weak person break down in the opposite situation and problems that came in a life, but a strong people always face the problem and win by the problems that are created in his life. So now I'm going to start the poem line by line. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the window. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of books. You brought the rain again. You are very clever at poking the fun of weakling. Weakling means the weak person. So here the poet is saying that, or you can say talking with the wind, that he asked the wind and say, just come slowly. Come softly and slowly. So he is saying that the wind should not be very strong, not very loud. It should be very soft, very slow. Then he says that the wind is a very powerful. Wind is a very powerful and destructive. It can break the shutter of the window, and it can destroy or scatter the papers that is put on the table. The blow of the wind scattered all the paper here and there. And in a next line, he's saying that don't throw down the books of the, don't blow so hard the wind that's why the all books fall down from the shelf. So here the poet is describing the power of wind. This is a clear, and he says through the wind to look at the destruction it had done. Look what you are doing right now. Whenever there is a strong wind, all the things that were very weak, like small plants, tiny books and pages, all scattered, fall down. And we can see that in the essential part of the poem, the poet is referring as the wind as you can say naughty child who always try to do the thing that is say don't do, जो मना करो वही करना, लाइक दैट. तो यहाँ पे पोएट ये कह रहा है कि विंड से बोल रहा है ना, स्टार्टिंग लाइन की धीरे धीरे चलो, तुम इतनी तेज़ ना चलो कि सारे जो विंडो के सेटर्स हैं, जो सेटर्स जो विंडो के किनारे से वो टूट जाए, पेपर्स बिखर जाए, जो बुक शेल्फ में रखी वो सब नीचे गिर जाए. एंड वो ये बोल रहे हैं, यू टोर द पेजेस, तुमने किताबों के पेजेस को फाड़ दिया. यू ब्रॉट रेन अगेन, तुम इतनी तेज आई कि तुम्हारे साथ बारिश भी आ गई. यू आर वेरी क्लेवर एट अ पोकिंग मीन्स होता है मेकिंग द फन ऑफ, or weakling means the weak things. Weak means you are always trying to do the make the fun of the weak thing. And the next line, frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling woods, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling lives, and crumbling heart. So here poet is saying frail means delicate, soft, crumbling means weak, houses means जो पुराने घर हैं, crumbling doors हैं, and rafters means छत जो है, crumbling woods जो हैं, crumbling bodies, all the weak thing that is available, and you always hurt, you always destroy the thing, you always here crumbling means repeated again the word and still this every clumber मतलब जो weak चीज़ें हैं उसको by the wind it is destroyed. So in the next line the poet is saying the wind god we knows and crushes them all, he would not do, you tell him, so come and let's build a strong home. Let's join the door firmly. We know the wind god we know and crushes them all. It means the poet is addressing wind as a god and saying that the powerful god of wind, winnowing means look at the picture that is in your book, the second page of your book. There is a two women, winnowing means छानना by the soup. So वो उससे छान के जो अलग करते हैं ना ग्रेन्स को, जिसमें से हमारा जो रफ पार्ट्स है वो साइड हो जाता है, जो भी रफ पार्ट्स है एंड जो मेन जो ग्रेन है वो सेपरेट हो जाता है. तो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द प्रोसेस ऑफ विनोइंग. सो हियर द poet is saying to the wind god, just help us blow slowly, doesn't help us in winnowing the grains. And the next line, he would not what you tell him, so come and let's build a strong home. Let's join the doors firmly, practice to the firm body, make the heart straightforward, do this and the wind will be friend with us. In the lines, the poet wants to say that just be so strong and make friend of wind. It means adversities in your life, problems in your life always come. Just make yourself so strong that you can face the problem. You feel that the problem will not listen to us. No, nobody is going to listen you. Not problem, not the adversities that is coming in your life, but they will come, and so you should be prepared. This is time that you should be prepared. In the preparation, you should build a strong homes. Close the doors of your houses firm so the wind can't and get into the house. And then he says that we should also make our bodies so strong. Heart is so firm to face these challenges. And then once we are strong enough to face all challenges, then that time the wind will be our friend. We will enjoy the wind. We will feel the wind. You will not be feel that they are the troublesome. Everything depends on you. Whatever you are making yourself. If you are making yourself strong enough, nobody can hurt you. Nobody can destroy you. This is the thing the poet wants to say, that this is the time that you should make yourself. Whatever you want, you should make yourself. And the last lines of the poem is this: the wind blow out weak fires, we make a strong fire roar and flourish. His friendship is good, we praise him every day. It means the wind blows out with a weak fire. It means the poet says that kept of winds is a pedestal. It means the poet is saying that whenever the fire is burning, the slow fire is destroyed by the wind, but the strong, with it so काफ़ी तेज़ से आग चल रही है और जब हवा चलती है तो वो उस हवा से आग बुझती नहीं है और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है, लाइक जंगल की आग. और अगर हल्की सी हवा चल रही है और आप कोई दीपक या कोई कैंडल रखते हो देन इट विल बी ब्लो आउट, तो वो बुझ जाती है। मतलब ये है यहाँ पे कि अगर आप वीक हो ना तो आपको हवा हरा सकती है, प्रॉब्लम्स आपको गिरा सकती है, बट अगर आप स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ हो ना तो प्रॉब्लम्स आपको कभी भी झुका या गिरा नहीं सकती, जस्ट बिकॉज वो प्रॉब्लम्स हमको ये दिखाती हैं कि आपको भी और ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ना है, ना कि रुक जाना है। दिस इज द थिंग। The last two line, you make a strong fire door and his friendship is a good, we praise him every day. It means here he's giving it means कि जब हम विंड से फ्रेंडशिप कर लेंगे तो वो हमारी विल पावर को या फिर हमारे साथ एडवर्सिटीज जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी वो हमको डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर पाएंगे और ना ही हमें स्पाइल कर पाएंगे, जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ, we know how to tackle the problem, how to handle the problem. So in the all poem, the summary, if in a 2 and 3 lines I am just going to summarize this is the thing the poet wants to say, that Subramanian Bharati is saying that ki whatever happening in your life, it's not a big thing, everyone have a problem, so it's depend on you how you are taking it. अगर आप वीक रहोगे तो कोई भी आपको हरा के आगे बढ़ सकता है, कोई भी आपको डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है, बट व्हेन यू बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग और यू कैन से स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ सो दैट यू कैन फेस योर प्रॉब्लम, अपने आप को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाओ कि आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस कर सको, अपनी चीज़ों को जो आपके साथ अपोजिट चीज़ें आ रही हैं, जो आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा है, उसको आप फेस करने के लिए आपको अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना पड़ेगा। और जब आप स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाओगे ना तो लाइफ में कुछ भी आपको डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकता, कुछ भी आपको हरा नहीं सकता। दिस इज़ द समरी और शॉर्ट ऑफ समराइजेशन ऑफ द लाइन, सो दिस इज़ द पोएम। थैंक यू ऑल।